Hello everyone! Today's research topic is about what makes a song popular because we all always saw that this particular thing is popular, another is not, so we have to find out the factors which makes it, in this case, a song popular. My name is Dalit Turkia and we start the presentation. In this research goal, we're going to evaluate how characteristics in the dataset of top 200 Spotify songs that can help in the predict popularity of each song. Because we're going to consider the dataset which has more than 1,000 songs, which was considered as the top 200 Spotify songs. The research results may help us catch following trends in music and it could help to develop a new algorithm in entertainment industry. So that set which we picked for this research for the that set of Spotify 200. It comes from a Kaggle website, and also I attach a link if you want to learn more about that set. So for this research, we're going to find out which factors make the song popular. So let's look through the graphic information about that set. As we see in Instagram, the popularity rating, the most of songs is between 60 and 90 rating. So as we say, the popularity distribution is left skewed. Then we consider a most frequent artist, which has more than one song in the whole data set. So we see the maximum number is probably over than 50 songs. This box plot shows how popularity is depicted and presented in the data set with their numerical summaries. How can you see that there is the outliers under 40 ratings? So there is the outliers because and how can you see that we got more than 1,000 songs. The mean value is 70 when we count the median is 73, with standard deviation 15.8. So 70% of songs is equal to 80, equal or below 80 rating. So now we're gonna consider a correlation variable. So how can you see in this picture the highlight variables have a significant correlation to popularity? Okay, it's usually more than 0.1 or below the minus 0.1, so which has a significant effect to popularity as we see, while other variables has less significance, so they didn't make so real sense to popularity distribution. So if we look at these pictures, we can see some selected variables of popularity and see their correlation. We see in these pictures, all three pictures has a positive correlation, so it's increasing by its popularity, while we had a lot of scattered values, but we gonna use the key neighbor later. So basic research question: find parameters which mostly affect popularity rate using machine learning algorithms to predict most proper category, and algorithm 1 implement key neighbors, and algorithm 2 implemented with neural networks. For this research, we need to add new categorical variables, so we created a new column which has a categorical variable attached to popularity rating. So it has values very popular, popular, average, and unpopular. So starting using the first algorithm, the KNN model, we trained 80% of data and test 20% remaining data. As a result, we got the different accuracy scores between 68%, 68 and 75% with the K range 1 to 10. The average result was 73%. As we see in this graph, we see that the best result is around 5K and it fluctuated between 75 and 68. As we know, the k-neighbors algorithm means that we need some k-value which fits the best number of k-neighbors. So, this research shows that best accuracy was provided with k equal to 5. So when we got a k equal to 5, it was a result of 75% accuracy. The second algorithm, we use neural networks. As you can see in this picture, I imported the MLP classifier and used this method to evaluate the accuracy to classify information. As we in the second picture, the accuracy was probably 82%. We also trained by principle 80 to 220 training data. So different accuracy score was around 74 and 82%. Best accuracy, as you see in the picture, was 82%. Overall, everything was successfully provided and nice results, but it wasn't enough because it included only one technical parameter. So everything was predicted by absolute numbers as number of followers and streams. However, we found out that one technical parameter was the loudness, which could impact to its popularity. In future, I hope I can use a more advanced model to predict upcoming trends and then use it with other categorical variables such as predicting gender or color.